kitchen. So today we are going to be making some spaghetti and meatballs. Doesn't that look good? But before we jump into our recipe, I want to thank everybody for watching. And as a reminder, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's make some spaghetti and meatballs. For our spaghetti and meatballs, you're going to need the following: olive oil, white onion, garlic, red pepper flakes, crushed tomatoes, oregano, salt, pepper, fresh basil, and spaghetti. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have some oil heated up over a medium-high heat. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add in our diced white onions. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. All right, so this has been going about 5 minutes. So to this, we're going to add in our minced garlic. And we're going to cook this for about a minute. So now that our garlic is cooked for about a minute, we're going to turn this down a little bit. And now we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes. We'll make sure we get everything out. Now we're going to add in our salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, oregano, and basil. And now we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes. So our sauce has been going for about 25 minutes. And what we've done is I pulled out all the basil, or as much as I could find. And a few pieces here and there are not going to hurt. But if you run across them, just pick them out. So now we're going to add in our meatballs. Now if you want, you can use fresh or store-bought. It does not matter. So we're going to put in our meatballs, and then we're going to let this go for about another 20 minutes or so till the meatballs are cooked through and through. So now that we're all plated up, we're going to have us some spaghetti and meatballs. Now, if you want your sauce to be a little bit smoother, you can always run it through and you can use an immersion blender, but I prefer mine to just like it is. Yeah, spaghetti is perfect. Let's try our meatball. Perfect as well. So I really do thank everybody for watching, and I really do appreciate all the support that you've given my channel. And as always, remember, hit the like button, share it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. So I'm going to finish this off, and as always, remember, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.